This is the GMK67, a budget keyboard with a hot swap PCB, gasket mounting, a volume knob, and more. The kit comes with a manual, a gold-plated USB-C cable, a switch and keycap holder, and of course, the keyboard. I'm not gonna lie, this board is pretty hard to open, so I did it off camera. I don't really know like the best way to describe it, so you can just, if you want to know, just like watch a YouTube video, I guess. After opening the keyboard, I disconnected the wires from the Bluetooth and daughter board and took out the foam that came with the kit. Afterwards, I took out the plate and PCB and took off the stabs. With the board disassembled, let's move on to the stabilizers. The kit comes with pre-lubed plate mount stabilizers. These stabs are rattly, so I used the Band-Aid mod and lubed the stems and housings with 205 grade 0 and with dielectric grease on the wires. After I was done modding the stabs, I tape modded the PCB with 3 layers of blue tape. Now that the stabilizers are done, let's move on to the switches. The switches I'm using are the Akko Cream Blue V3s. They're a long pole tactile switch with an actuation force of 38 grams. The only problem of the switch for me is that they're only 3-pin, but other than that, they're a pretty good budget switch for the price. I then took apart all the switches and lubed them with Tribosi's 3203 and Super Lube on the springs. Now for the keycaps. The keycaps I'm using are Akko Black and Pink. They have a cherry profile and are made of double shot PBT. Now I know I'm kind of double dipping in the Akko products this video, but I got it at a really good price, and plus they look really good, so I couldn't resist. I took out the included foam and added polyfill to the case to reduce hollowness without reducing the typing experience from the gaskets. Afterwards, I plugged the cables back into the PCB and put the case back together. With that, we only have one more step left in the build. As I said previously, the keycaps I'm using are Akko Black and Pink, and I want to show you a really cool magic trick. Oh shit! I guess I can't show you the magic trick. I didn't mean to drop my phone, but I guess we can go on to the sound test now. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you have any suggestions, leave it down below. Until I see you guys again, have a good day.
We drove the Wendy's earlier today.